Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell no so for more news. Felix Apia Kasadema NPP amayoku no na ode ensem bia todwa a ochre se Ghana fo inti ye hwe nyame anim akoto aba de ama omanpani dada Mahama sesen na se amafo ka so omanpani dada Mahama enti mbeboa Ghana fo na se ye nti a ye na aka se ye bisa ye ho questions na ye investigation na ye research eye global leaders a Ghana ho echre yenya ye komwai e wo mo ho leaders ni bebre eni omanpani dada Mahama se ye incompetent onti mbo man Ghana. It is a Ghana from Puerto Ababa no be president and enough in here because on man penny dada Mahama eko besi aba one farmer no when me say what the mana on fe me hu te nsem hu na dis fo de ba bedi ntinya de wo de ebeba nti Ghana for yesterday yenti nsem ma Felix Apia e de etudwa
hey development now pet dia de bia meka after hearing Dr. Bawumia this Wednesday coming the 7th after hearing him say one falling in love with Dr. Bawumia, ne niswade hu ne intellect ne understanding of issues baby or person de Ghana kwa na braubwa. You just want your political party to come to power. It's not about development, which is fine. Mutie say also we a lawyer, doctor, teacher, JDM, we a wanyo baby a free baby ara every walk of life. After listening to Dr. Bawumia on Wednesday, 2 days per marine fee. After listening to Dr. Bawumia on Wednesday, say what would we say your love for Ghana and Kenya ibio. Say your patriotism and sorry viewer. Now it's not about Ghana, but your own interest. Minya. Okay. Dr. Bawumia ye nipe bia won. Me de bia meka se he na do nyame nhyira no. Say ye ma papa we hwere yen Ghana for. Say ye ma papa we ye koye sa ye NDC normal politics na we nko we fairly sa basa no say ye pa ba mu abakeke no. Na ye ma papa we hwere yen. Oh, Ghana be ye mobo. Na re ho sem e be ya ende me pese muti asem bi yi pa. Are ho sem e be ye ne say Obeya president ya and obi antie sa asem we na muntie ni ye. Woni global leaders eco live eco have that type of interaction, finding business opportunities, finding contracts and stuff for our country. Bear in mind, most of these global leaders they know who John Dramani Mahama is. And his credibility is not solid in their eyes. Into picture say yakoto about 2024 we. Na Ghana for person ye ne ebia kurobi to say Japan ekoye agreement. Now so enam the past record of John Dramani Mahama Ntino, they can't guarantee him. Do you people know what we are asking for? You know the laughing stock Ghana will be should we make a mistake and go bring John Dramani Mahama or because we the 8 years, I know we had the 8 years. Guys, Mama Mayen konom say reference you know, mepamu chow. Because global leaders would not even want to rub shoulders with him. Okay? Monkeys play by side, so let me get that clear. John Dramani Mahama's credibility in the international market and yafe. Na yemme who says sebe. Hey, almost your mum but they want who? Oh, and who is the president of Ghana? Ghana want to do agreement with Europe, Germany. No my fresh cratchit that ustek is you yate. Yenchre mumrem. Ah, na nyankwa we na oma ye man sika se won fan ko de koye sabe. Trade center went to me anya ukodi ye no ayo no a. Ah, na Ghana for asia to abama ani o Ghana for asia to na de na ye Ghana for mama ye de aye you. Ebedu brebi. Ni ene Nigeria for sign contract. Now yakofa there will be light at the end of the tunnel, inshallah. Now governor to so who is the president of Ghana now? They said Namahama. Who? The same boy who took oil and didn't pay? Is it the same boy they have brought back? You know, Buhari don't even want to see that boy face. That boy don't lie to us, say he go come pay us. The boy never pay his debt. As we speak now, they are still paying. Is he who they brought back? They will say yes. They will say yes. Now, if you say world leaders, no more Jimmy say one no. Offense for our buy and say we ye BB. And the chere we are saying man sending us over to me. I discard my one who could one find you mapa. And now over pay the attest. What about sort of the fight will boost you for the rest of your life? No, and on Uber need your music abishu. Ghana for let's wake up. The aye, you know, let's wake up. Now Ben Quine the year shouldn't send crack rano. Ghana for Sana mo net saying and I 1 cedi na $1. They say I 85 cedis and I win na 3 cedis and I bear 4 cedis. I'm kurasi gano same kurasi politics na mo pese ye na 21st century 2024. When others are thinking about bringing bullet trains and bringing things that would enhance like society, bringing services like last World Bank, there be a trade center for a leader Ngozi Baye or say Ghana ya the papa the way I deliver service on digitization and stuff like that. The digitization agenda Ghana has taken, it is very, very good. And then Brema will be a journey said there be yan said yan jicha lampo ni adia yen yes can say no ye digitize bibia na to me am be to me to yan a fair share. Or some person are buying an app buy or buy I went to me and Tuaka. Electricity bill was won't ya. A teacher for was won't ya. Yes, it be the 3-month pay policy. And you went through it. And you want to look in the eyes of God who created you. Obeshawo maame otabe onyem abosome nkono ekochim wo yaya ahwe wo ebesi saade o papa sebe akwasiampa bra wo boy nti wantumi amfa wansi ba biara o maame ya wo ton kwadu kakra wo ton kate kakra wo ton we kakra try ye pia wa na ne we de awie university kopa adwuma yesi kotwitwa sre na koton as a graduate. You be say a government policy or say I government policy. Now say be one ferry adinti. Bako jina boof musa as a university graduate I catch will say, oh university now we call no crane yebuka into to me employer. So we to Abama Mahama because 2022 no now oil near 1,000 Ghana into your hochere buy. You are in 2024. Wake up and see the turnaround that is coming. Dana for mama my yes, I mistake with you, never cost to yen. These people are hungry. These people have been in the thing for so long. Like they are very, very hungry. You know, they are very, 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 very hungry. And you think they will come and come and put the money in your pocket. You think Mahama will come? No, Abeka said, no more ton ayi, emu olunka 7 cedis no, munjai olunka no ton 7 cedis. He say mon ton no sabio. He say mo ton 1 cedi because me Mahama ma be president. Mo ana mo ton toma 20 cedis na mo ton 5 cedis because Mahama ma be president. So we are some work according to Momo mind, no. That is how the world works for you. Dr. Baumia is about